You came at the perfect time. You're going to be famous. They want to talk to the convertible top expert.
She looks beautiful. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I hear you're the expert. You've been at it for how long?
Well, I've been working for Classic for 30 years. Now, convertible tops, probably been doing them about 15, 20 years.
Well, you're the man.
He is the man.
I've only had that car to 140.
140, that's it? All right. Well, maybe tomorrow get up to
They say
150.
top end is 147. Yeah, I'm driving along. I was on the Turnpike between Ohio and PA, and I look out the side, and I see everything going by like, I think I'm going to back off.
We put some extra aerodynamics in that top, so maybe you could hit 145.
I'm going to try. And guess what he says when I'm doing this?
What's he say?
Faster.
Oh, really? So you're the bad influence.
I love it. I love it.
My brothers, they're a bit squeamish. They won't go in the car because they know Milt.
The big reveal. Black Beauty.
I thought he pulled over because the tire was coming at him, but it was his tire.
There she goes.
There she goes.
Recommend Classic Soft Trim?
Absolutely. 100%. Get down here for your talk.
Better than I expected.
It's been a pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
Take
Ray.
care.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure, Milt.
So should I bring her back or?
Yeah, every couple years,
Okay.
bring her down here.